Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b we change for t, minus we need to do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 we change for t. Now if we apply the formula in here, we have like this. So this one we need to do first the derivative of s, and the value of s we change for t, minus we need to do first the derivative of number 2, and the value of number 2 we change for t. This one we have the formula in here. So we need to do first the derivative of s multiplied by f and s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f and s multiplied by s. Now we simplify this one. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over s. And now we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.